Hello students, good morning. How are you my dears? Today we are going to discuss about correct form of the verb. The topic is for class 8th. The topic is for class 8th. The name of the topic is correct form of the verb. And in this topic today we will discuss about past continuous tense. Dear students, in this tense we will discuss about the adverb of time and what helping verbs and main verbs are used in this tense. In this tense, two helping verbs was, were, and we apply ing with the first form of the main verb. So here, mind it my dear students, in this tense we use the helping verbs was and were, and ing with the first form of the main verb. But in this tense, what are the words or adverb of time which are used? Dear students, at that time. Number second, in those days. Okay, these are the adverbs of time, and in this tense the sentence has two clauses. The clause is connected with when or while. When or while plus MB second means did plus MB first, that is known as past indefinite tense. Dear students, थोड़ा सा हिंदी में बात कर लेते हैं. इस टेंस में करेक्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब टॉपिक में पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस में हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स वॉज और वर्ब दो काम में ली जाती हैं, जिनमें से ही, सी, इट और आई प्रोनाउन के साथ वॉज लगाते हैं, जबकि यू, वी, दे और बहुवचन संज्ञा होती है तो हम क्या लगाते हैं? वर. एक वचन संज्ञा होती है तो क्या लगाते हैं? वॉज. आई के साथ भी वॉज लगाते हैं, वर नहीं लगाते. दूसरा, इस टेंस में दो एडवर्ब हैं, एट दैट टाइम और दूसरी है इन दोज डेज. एट दैट टाइम और दूसरी क्या है? इन दोज डेज. या तो इनमें से कोई आएगा, या इसके अलावा इसमें व्हेन या वाइल, व्हेन या वाइल दो क्लॉज आएंगे, और वो दोनों किससे जुड़े होते हैं? व्हेन से या वाइल से. और मुख्य क्रिया की सेकंड फॉर्म, मुख्य क्रिया की सेकंड फॉर्म, या कह सकते हो डिड प्लस मुख्य क्रिया की फर्स्ट फॉर्म यहां आपको आएगी. कहने का मतलब पास्ट इंडेफिनिट टेंस. ओके, हियर वी विल डिस्कस इन इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज. ओके, इन दिस टेंस two adverbs of time in these days, present continuous tense, in those days past continuous tense, and at that time is also used in past continuous tense. The tense has a sentence, and a sentence has two clauses. Sentence has two clauses that is connected with when or while plus the second form of the main verb, or you can get here did plus MB first. Okay, dear students, here we begins when, while, MB second, did plus MB first. Examples are, the examples are I teach when he entered the class. Dear students, I blank teach, the first form of the main verb will always given in the brackets. When, two clauses connected with when, and after when, second form of the main verb means past indefinite tense is given here. Dear students, mind it, we never use in or into preposition after the main verb. Means to say, enter is a verb that does not take in or into preposition after it. Okay? Entered the class only. The sentence entered into the class will be incorrect. Okay? Because enter does not take in or into preposition, like the way reach is a verb, R-E-A-C-H, that does not take two preposition behind it. Okay? I was, and you have to apply ing with the first form of the main verb. The sentence will be, I was teaching when he entered the class. Sheeta blank cook rice while I went into the kitchen. This is your sentence. Sheeta blank cook is the first form of the main verb, rice is the object, and while connector that connects or connecting here two clauses. One clause here and second clause here. One clause is always given in past continuous tense, while the second or next clause is given in past indefinite tense. Okay, dear students, Sheeta cooked rice while I went into the kitchen. You will use was and you will apply ing with cook, rice, while I went into the kitchen. While I went into the kitchen. Okay, dear students. Next sentence is, when she came to me the first form of the main verb is read. The Ramayana. This is your sentence. Dear students, here when is given at first. In this sentence, when is given at first, and in the middle of sentence, comma is applied here. When I have told you, when or while, and next to when or while, you will get the second form of the main verb, means past indefinite tense. And in another clause, you will write or you will fill in the blanks was, were plus the first form of the main verb with ing. You will write was and ing with the read. This is your sentence. Next sentence is Mohit in New York at that time. Dear students, the sentence does not have two clauses here. The sentence has only one clause. The sentence has only one clause. The sentence does not have two clauses. So, in this sentence, the adverb of time is given, that is at that time. At that time, in those days are given in a sentence, then you will use the helping verb and main verb of past continuous tense. But at this time or in these days are given, then you will use present continuous tense. Okay? But here we will use past continuous tense. Mohit was, and you will apply ing with live. Mind it, my dear students, if you find e after the first form of the main verb, then remove e and apply ing. As dance, remove e and apply ing. Okay, dear students, make, remove e and apply ing. But if you find e, remove e and apply ing. But if you find ie, then remove ie and apply ying as lie. You will remove ie and apply ying. Die means ie is given, then remove ie and apply ying. I think you got all the sentences very well. I hope your study is going well at your home. Please, students, copy the sentences from the blackboard or take a screenshot. Okay, dear students, I wish you are very well and your study is going well at your home. Be happy, be healthy. With these words, I finish my class here. In next class, I will be here before you with the correct form of the verb, and new tense will be your past perfect tense. Okay? Thank you.